Hello and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, June 9th. It is a Wednesday, that means it's an async day. We will not have class on Zoom. However, I do have office hours. And during the office hours tonight, I will be meeting with the following people here for their speaking test. Please make sure you are on time. Let's see what you have to do for today. You will do a review, some vocabulary review. So you're going to click this link and you will do different activities. You can do flashcards so you could learn the words and their definitions. You can do learn where you do a little bit of guessing, or if you remember the words, that's even more excellent. Write, you are given the definition and you type the answer. Spell, you listen and you click and then you type the word that you hear, check your spelling, or you could take a test. Which word? Different ways of doing this. And match, you match the word with you click and drag. And you click and drag. Okay, that's match. Gravity as the words do easy. And you want the term. So as the word, you type in the word, but you have to remember, you have to type fast, okay? And those are activities for today for async. But you must continue working on your racial inequality essay. A lot of you are doing well. I'm looking at them. It is due on Monday. So tomorrow, Thursday, we'll work some more on it. And that's it for today. Good luck.